Friend, ang tawag niyo sa amin, sir. Which sounds sweet to our ears. So, for everything, sir, for better or for worse, your name, especially your good deeds, are in our hearts. Forgive us, sir, especially your friend, Rory. I love you, sir. E. Hello? Hello.
Excuse me, sir, for being absent today. Next month, when the personal, you never failed us. Your answer was always, "Kay friend," or "Iha, Ina." Thank you, sir. We'll be missing you.
Linyan sa ni Sir.
Ang mga may i-off na
Reflect on your priorities in life, the true meaning of how to gain happiness, and be contented of the future that God is preparing for you, which is the best of the best. Congrats, sir.
Di namin pakita JR. Di, madi.
Ay, nyo na kami ikababa. Basta sa taon na kami sa drive. Umalpas kayo. Tingin sa kaya ako.
D. Disappointments and frustrations piled up and it made you emotionally and mentally exhausted. And now comes the good part. You will have sweet home with Ma'am your forever partner in Mabutag Elementary School, especially in your every night and every day. Wow, sir.
I, intelligence sir, sa lahat ng school administrators, he is one of the best actor kumbaga sa broadcasting. Modulated and with feelings kasi every time na nag-i-speech. Palagi niya sinasabi na teacher daw niya si Sir Edgar sa public speaking noon sa PCP. God and the glory.
And sa anos kaunay katalangan isuon at luma nasugil kami. At damat ay pagpataon at damat aming lagang sayon. Saan ang masapaw ang amayon mo may baga. Magpaiso ka, Ter. Malaglangin ka man ko ang sanayon. Yes, I love you. God bless.
A. Awesome ka principal. Hidden is a good. So, as another chapter in your life falls, make most of the blessings you have. Hold tight to your walls, as the journey will have more ups and downs from here on. Remain as humble as you are, sir, no matter how high your position is. It ain't you to define yourself, but the people who see you. Godspeed and live life to the fullest. We love you, sir, from your family of BCS.
And nagaget ni sir. Lumapan kami office na agsursurat when mo agad and God ta. Nagaget pa ang negosyo. Adda kabay ka class DXN nagdatumapan. Uwapang sa katiman na nagilipada na na pair their own business. I love you, sir, and God bless.
D. Dating ang
kaibigan Panginoon. That's what Sir is. He incorporates God in everything he does, which is probably why he is blessed. He is truly God-fearing person.
P. Pagdating sa damay, siya'y matapat na kaibigan. Pamudi-mudi kung minsan, ngunit kung masa mo, mag-sorry ka na lang. Tatawagan ka sa office niya, at lumagbagan. Mauna, kung pwede, mauna ka pang mag-sorry. Enjoy, sir. Tumakuha. Sir, babasahin mo na sa Philippians 4, verse 4.
Romantic si Sir. Dahil kahit sa nakaliwagtanan ng puso sa mundo, hindi mawawaglit sa kanyang isipan ang kaunahing tungkulin at hangarin para sa sarili at para sa iba. Sir is one of the strongest, most determined, most disciplined person I have ever known. Sir, pang-aasing tatan na dawit kayo mabutan, be romantic kay Mami Bessie pag may time. Congrats, sir, and we love you.
Understanding administrator si Sir. But these days, parang sensitive para sa kanya na iiwan na ang Ballesteros Central School. Kasi mahal na mahal kami ni Sir at mahal na mahal din namin siya. Mukhang tigre sa Pilipino. Ang palagi niyang sinasabi na tiger daw siya. Gusto niyang ipaliwanag na we should not look in the outward appearance, but look in the inside or his heart. In short, don't judge the book by its cover. Again, rejoice, sir, no matter what.
Itapay na na-develop at napintas na relasyon tayo. Di pangyayari sa kanya, taidi ket saan tayo pa nakapag-adjust sa pada-pada. Basta siya, ay ayakin kayo amin. Dahil ito'y maysa na pinasakit na balikas mo, sir. We love you, sir.
Active and alert si Sir. Kaya one time, napagalitan ako dahil tinatawag niya ako, pero hindi ako agad nakapunta dahil sa takot ko na may mangyari sa mga bata. No paayagan na ni Sir Bin, uri ang daraaranide, mapanak adagos, uri na sa anak nakasapatos, ipaspas ko, tamagutenak, baka makutan na. Last day kumamin, yaranide niyo. Galit na sabi ni Sir. Tama kayo, Sir.
S. Sensible and strong person who knows how to fight for his right and express what's on his mind. Sir is also smart and funny. You're a great friend, sir. Thank you for the 5 years and complete friendship. Goodbye and God bless.